Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie. I'm the owner of Lost and Found, and I promised you guys one more holiday inspired video. So that's what we're doing today. I just want to share with you a little bit more about our family, a little bit more about some of the things we do at Christmas, the ways that we celebrate, and show you around my kitchen a little bit and our Christmas decor that we have here in the kitchen. It's going to be a fun, laid back video, a little bit of behind the scenes. I hope you enjoy it. All right, so before I share with you a little bit more about what I have going on here in the kitchen, I just want to say that we are a 100% normal family. And I'm going to share with you some fun traditions that I do with my boys, but please, I don't want anybody to watch this and walk away feeling like, well, now they've got more stuff that they have to do for the holidays because since our family does these traditions, you need to do it too. That's not it at all, okay? So there will be no mom guilt that anybody's going to feel. And I also don't want anybody, I don't want to give the impression that we have it all together and that we just live in a magical holiday wonderland, because y'all know that's not true. We're a completely normal family. I have two teenage boys and a 10-year-old. So, you know, you can imagine what that's like, and you're probably right. But I do try to make Christmas special. And that's just because when I was a little kid, my mom went all out and made Christmas special. We just did all the things. And so because I've been doing that for several years now, my kids kind of expect all the things. So we do a lot. It's not always perfect. It's not magazine worthy, a lot of it, but it's how we celebrate. And hopefully it's how I'm helping them build memories. That's my goal, is I want them when they leave our home to just have really warm and fond memories of this time. Even if the cookies weren't perfect and the decorations weren't completely amazing, that they knew it was special, that they knew it was a time we were celebrating as a family, and that they can look back on it and have those memories that they really, really appreciate. Okay, so with that said, I want to share with you guys my kitchen a little bit more. I've always tried to keep the kitchen for Christmas kind of family oriented and a little bit fun. So there's a lot of Santa, there's some vintage. It's where we have the tree with our kids' ornaments in it. So let's start with the tour. The first thing I want to share with you guys is our little kitchen Christmas tree. So I've always had a second tree, just a little skinny one here in the kitchen. And this is where all of the boys' handmade ornaments throughout the years have gone. You know, when your kids are little and it's just like they're at preschool, they're at kindergarten, wherever, at Sunday school, and they're just bringing home all of these ornaments. They are just so many of them. And so they all come in here on the kitchen tree. This one's really fun with the little puzzle pieces. Isn't that cute? They help me put these ornaments on here, and then we get to laugh at everybody's pictures and, oh, look at your silly picture. Like this one right here of my oldest when he was as an elf, like they put his little head on there. So, you know, that's part of the fun, is that we all kind of laugh about it. But it's just kind of a fun tree, and that's an idea to share with you moms. You know, your kids are gonna be bringing home all the stuff that they're making. And I felt torn because I wanted to have it out and I wanted to display it, but then I also wanted to have just a highly decorative Christmas tree, one that was a little bit nicer, that I could put some nice ornaments on it. So that was how I kind of managed it. I have my tree in the living room that I showed you guys last week. And then this tree in here is where all those fun ornaments get to shine. So in the functional part of my kitchen, I try to keep it festive, but still with the counters kind of clean and open because, you know, the kitchen is a busy place for our family. But I do have a little hot chocolate station over here, and this little hot chocolate sign I found at Hobby Lobby, y'all. I think it was like $1.50, and I just thought it was so cute. It was just a great little accent to sit over here by these mugs. And the little snowman teapot was one that my mom made back when I was a kid. She would do ceramics, And this little sleigh was in the dollar section at Target. It was $5, but you know that front section that they have. And so the packets of hot chocolate mix fit perfectly in it. So you may recognize a few projects from past videos. And also this little tree, the little Charlie Brown looking tree, that was also from the dollar section at Target. It's battery operated and it's super cute. It's just a great little accent, and I like how twinkly everything is at night. So another family tradition that we have is we always put up our Christmas countdown calendar, and this is actually one that my sister made for us probably 8 years ago, and I didn't even know she was doing it. It just showed up in the mail, and it has been just a delight ever since then. I'm so glad that she did it. I'm so grateful that she did it, because I probably would not have ever taken the time to put it together. But my kids love it. Even the big boys still get excited about putting it up. So she made it out of foam board. This is a piece of, actually, it's a big piece of plywood, and there's a piece of foam board, thin foam board on top. And then this is just craft paper. And these little guys are little bits of foam board with some cardstock, and then she's got all these different little cute things, and they Velcro. And then there's a piece of Velcro right here. And then the numbers are stickers. So why do you guys like this thing so much?
I don't know why.
You don't know why?
I just do.
You just do?
Yeah, it's really fun.
Do you just get really excited?
Yeah, because I'm like, oh my gosh, just one more thing.
So another one of our big holiday traditions every year is I wind up doing a lot of baking. And my kids' favorite, the thing that they love the most, is gingerbread cookies. And so I make the same gingerbread cookie recipe every year. It comes from this Southern Living magazine right here. I'm a big, big fan of Southern Living magazine. I've been a subscriber for years. So I want to share with you guys my gingerbread cookies. Over the years, I've had lots of little helpers in the kitchen, and now with everybody being a little bit older, they tend to show up and want to help when it's time to decorate, and they let me do the baking. But we're going to get started. It takes a little bit of time. You're going to chill the dough. Oh, and I did want to tell you guys that actually I've put together a fun download for you that is all of my favorite Christmas cookie recipes, the ones that I make every year, and that's available in the video description. That's completely free. It's just something for you to have. These aren't recipes that I've created. I've gotten them from other places, and I share the sources for them. But if you want that, that's in the video description.
I don't have enough time to take a shower.
Why are you filming me?
Alright, this is called the artistic talent of Evan. We're gonna go.
My kid literally has no time. I need to take a shower now.
This man, his name is Jonathan. Ow.
That's good.
Hey.
That's fine.
No more Davis. No more Davis. You can have it tomorrow. Okay? Okay, so this is a tradition that my kids love. It is this super fun and easy DIY craft growth chart that we get out every year. It just comes out at Christmas. And I put this together at like a ladies' night with a women's small group Bible study that I did, I mean, probably, well, let's see, it was 10 or 11 years ago. Super, super easy to do. It's just various pieces of felt. Then each year we hot glue on these little wood cutouts with their names on them, you know, roughly where they are. It's not scientific. This is not a scientific growth chart. It's just kind of for fun. You can see we've got a couple big kids here that have broken out at the top. And then in here, it's really, really busy. This is this, you know, middle kind of age adolescent years, and we got a lot going on there. But this is such a fun tradition, and we're about to, right now, see where everybody is on the growth chart and hot glue on their new little pieces for 2022. This is gonna be a hard fit right there, I think.
Why do you have to act so weird?
Because I can. You're kind of covering up Luke there a little.
I don't know, I'm supposed to like put my head back, but also like no.
Oh.
That's like very bad.
Yeah, man. That's a pretty big jump.
Cool transition. Number 3.
All right, come on out. I think you're basically the exact same height
Dang.
as you were.
That's kind of sad. You didn't even go like an inch?
Well, this isn't scientific. So we'll kind of, are you cool? We'll stick you right there. All right, should we tell them about to Bethlehem?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so probably one of our favorite things that we get to do at the holidays is we break out this amazing board game. It's called
To Bethlehem.
To Bethlehem. So my husband found this online a couple years ago, and we only played at Christmas time, and it's really, really goofy. Great game though for your whole family, and we've played it with neighbors, right? We've had friends over.
Yeah.
We played with the Kings
Yeah.
one time. Anytime we have family in town, we make them play to Bethlehem. You kind of wind up doing a bunch of just really dumb stuff. There's all these prompts in it as you're traveling on the way to go see baby Jesus. There's all these prompts that come about. So I'm going to put the link where you can find it on Amazon down in the video description, because it's just a great thing to have if you've got little kids, grandkids. It's a great game to have on hand for the holidays.
Yeah.
I really appreciate you guys taking the time to visit with my family a little bit today. I know this video was just kind of a hodgepodge of stuff, but just a little bit behind the scenes with us. I hope it helped you feel merry in the spirit, holiday spirit of the season. I will probably be taking a little bit of a break between now and the end of the year, just because y'all know we've got a lot going on and I want to spend some time with my family. So right now, I'm going to finish eating up these amazing gingerbread cookies. Don't forget, excuse me, I know that's rude. Don't forget that there's a download in the video description of this video of all the different cookie recipes that I make, including this gingerbread cookie one. I promise you want to try it. You're going to love it. Okay? Very Merry Christmas to you guys, and I'll see you guys again soon.